support education, through offering bursaries. One of them in the CDF, we also have promoted bursaries. We also have some bursaries from well-wishers like the Kemonis. So the Kemonis, they are not looking for leadership. We are just giving back to the community because we have passed through that stage. Yes. So nobody should feel that so and so is campaigning or doing. I'm not doing this because I want to ascend to any position in Nyamira. I'm doing this because I understand where I came from, I understand my history, and I'm giving back to our people who supported me. So for those journalists who are here, the position is this. I want to encourage all the professionals who come from Nyamira to need to come up with an association or a foundation. Already me, I have one foundation known as the Kemoni Education Foundation, which I'm supporting students and even people operation. And that is from small donations from friends and my own personal investments. And we are not stealing from people because some people want to Pamoja anatoa Mungu nimembariki, anatoa mahali, anatoa kwa ukwe na anatenda kwa mkono sawa. And I want to encourage other professionals to come on board, kuunde chama kubwa, foundation nzuri, tusaidie watoto wetu. We know we have leaders, but our leaders cannot manage to take care of everything, bursaries na kila kitu. So what we are doing is we are supporting and enhancing what they are doing in their formal positions of leadership. So I don't want to talk a lot. I want to wish you well, one of my leadership. It's not Tangulianza hii program. Nimesaidia watoto you have given the figures. Kutoka jamii mbalimbali. They are not people from Buchora. They are not my relatives. They are not my friends. They are residents and people of Nyamira. So meaning that mimi kwa roho yangu kipeke choko nyumba. Meaning that mimi ni mtu anapenda kila mtu wa jamii na ni mtu anapenda maendeleo. As one of my speakers said, my priority tuone maji safi ikiingia kwa nyumba. Tuone hospitali zetu zikuwa sawa. Masomo yetu ikiwa sawa. Tuone ukulima yetu ikiwa sawa. So I've chosen one of those items, which is education. Kwa roho yangu hiyo tunafanya. So the only way you can encourage me to continue with this, after I want to see possible results. Baka siku mnaenda graduate, if you are going to graduate in future, mnaniambia kale kama mzee kafupi kalikuwa pale ibara. Kama namna gani? Young man. Wazee. Wala kuna wasiana. Ndege program ya ended. Abana wali in this school. Muda ni modi ya wana na wao. Ndege wana. Basically ndio ni kibarua wako? Lakini kidao. Everyone is sure but well so Ito mo ay Baka sana ko mo ni mire guru ito ko Neri amora Mi amor Byron, okay. Byron, okay. Vamos, serio. James, natural. What's wrong? Okay. Now we go. The only way you can succeed in life, you must be able to be determined and you remain focused on how you conduct yourself. You must have a vision where you are coming from and where you are heading to. For one, when I was left as a small boy like that young child, my mom was just a mere peasant, and I feel a child. But I've gone through those processes, and I've always remained focused. For that, I also appreciate my mom, even though for now she is now deceased. My father was not there, alikufa kitambo, lakini mama alikuwa there. So what I'm saying in short, you don't have to have parents, what a parent, to succeed in life. You can have one parent, but one of these parents try to take advice from your parents, try to associate with good people, try to respect authority. Even if you're in the university, you believe in all the freedom, because we have been that, what happens in the university. Before you engage in any activity, just kumbuka mzazi mahali ametoka. And I want to give you a very good example. Me, I went to upper second school in Nairobi to do a sponsorship of one of my relatives who comes from the scheme. My mom, hakuwa na uwezo sana. When I went to that school, I was given a bursary for the 4 years I was there. Lakini pesa hiyo inatosha. I was given another bursary. I could see the way my sister was struggling. She was just a mere secretary. Mishahara yake ilikuwa kidogo to chip in to ensure that I went to a formal education and succeed in life. And for that I salute her. So, after wewe, even if you come from a very poor family, you have an opportunity to succeed. The goodness with Kenya, whether you are from any tribe, whether you are from any region, you can always get an opportunity to join in learning institution. But the problem is, the catch which is there is the issue of how do you pay for your upkeep and the fee which is required to go through that formal education system. The unfortunate thing which I was trying to say is this: you have had children coming from Kisii or from these family backgrounds who goes to colleges, they find students from very rich families. They lose their identity, they want to associate with people they feel they have achieved, yet they have not achieved. In that process, you are given fees, you keep on writing to a parent, we had a very bad incident whereby a young man from Osobeti spent 4 years, akidanganya mzazi. Even he went as far as, you know that pamphlet when you are graduating, your name has to be there, it has to be clear. How he got a gown, and that pamphlet, through manipulation, or through crooked ways, he waited to see it in Arabic because the original document, the name was wrong. So when the parent tried to inquire, akasema, I'm escaped. But later on, when we held a party for that team, we had the courage to tell the parents, this boy has never attended any class in the University of Nairobi. So he's lying. You know what happened? It was a catastrophe.